and celebrating the story. Salam, that's him. He's an amazing storyteller and a beautiful photographer. And your mic is not from close to and Akara, and then like an animal. Can you see all something non-stop? I want to document all this man because they have a beautiful love story. So yes, I'm back to myself right now. So myself.
So we are here today again because some guys went to a certain place and in which they got lost. So we are here to explore again before traveling today. And then fortunately we saw some people harvesting. So I had to show you guys how they harvest. An harvest going on right now. You see? So wow. There's water everywhere.
Hey guys. Okay, shall we? Movement. I'll be back to the camera. Not see the man with the ass. I didn't know you were right now. I love the way these amazing creators are doing their work with love and passion. Yes, that's with love and passion. And see Baba say hi to everybody. Baba say hi and represent.
My friend.
Every one of them. I've shown them on videos.
Oh, God,
I've shown them on videos and you've seen what it looks like. In case you have any other questions, you want to ask of course, enter my DM and let's communicate. The good thing about our waka is that we make trip affordable. I will make it reasonable for people that are interested to go on this trip and adventures with us. So God bless you, everyone. Please be your loyal guide. When we enter the main place, we don't know where we are going today. Splash, where are we going today?
Unknown area.
The fact that Splash and Salam were
Clean.
in this right plantation yesterday for 2 hours. So now we don't even know where we are going.
We're harvesting the brown one.
Hold the right. Hold the right, Baba. Hold the right.
Yeah.
You don't tell. Salam.
Huh?
One, two, one, two, one, two, one,
No, guys. Move. We are not getting it. Please play the song.
I think it's because that road.
Just use your camera. Focus.
Damn. I'm so wet right now. I'm walking on my bare feet. I just have to wear socks. I fell down. Man, walking in this rice field is not easy, man. You can fall anytime. Oh, man. I fall now. I've fallen like 3 times now. But we're still going and we're going very far. We have a long way to go. And we need to travel today. The women that those guys said they saw yesterday, they said the women actually asked them for money, but they refused to give the women, and then they got lost. So we just locate the women right now walking, and we're going to see how they do their job. Right there, what I was told is that is where they clean the rice. So when they harvest the rice, they bring it to the women, and I'm going to show you how they bring the grain out before they parboil it. Don't worry. Where? This way. Okay. I do like this?
Yes. Put on
Small. I cover.
Cover. Another one. This one again.
Okay. You don't do. I cover. Thank you.
Okay.
Small. Thank you. I'm taking this home. Look at this place. Another adventure entirely. Damn.
Is it planting right? This place is dry now.
No, no.
Go put water.
I'll put water.
See water here, when they put water, I go enter now.
I put on.
Because if you the plant, you not mean to put water, the thing not go come out.
Yeah.
No, come out.
So we're back on the road and we're going to the hotel. We're so dirty right now. So this is the adventure, guys. This is
cannot be seen on the face.
yeah.
It can only be seen on the floor. On you.
This is the adventure, guys. So this is what the story hunter go through. Thank you, man.
This place is the cultural center.
Cultural center. Oh. So this is the cultural center.
That's gonna come.
Mare was. Ẹ̀wà kéré o.
Ẹ̀wà 50,000. Really? 50 naira.
Kò sínú ẹran.
Kò sí.
So guys, Omoluabi branch, Omoluabi and Salam said they want to eat, so they called me on bike, and then here I am. There's rice here, beans and meat. The rest are still
So this is the first
on the
time
field.
you are eating rice and beans?
Yeah, this is the first time we're eating rice and beans. in
Rice?
Patigi. Alright. We ate rice in the palace.
Okay, yeah.
We ate jollof rice.
Yeah?
So this is rice and beans. The rest of the guys are still busy. They went to the rice mill. They need to take some nice pictures there. So, oh, God bless you. Thank you. So we got water too. Now, the rice, beef, and beans.
Do it and let us drink.
Meat, raw meat, raw. Kara kajasi. So that our people do in this. Okay.
It tastes great. Raw meat from the cow. But I don't know the other stuff. But this is nice. It's nice. Do you want to try it?
That was the time I've taken it before, bro.
The other thing inside, I have to chew it. It's not like I can just swallow it, I have to chew it.